By this stage, I fully anticipated the Fimi X8 Mini would have been in the air, and I could have been telling you just how great it is or how bad it is. You know that I tend to do completely honest reviews either way, and this is one of those things. And the reason for this video is because, quite frankly, instead of this drone being in the air, it may as well be a £235 paperweight. Okay, so I was filming this video, as you can see on screen, and I connected it all up the way that you should connect it all up. Now, I am quite technologically advanced. I know what I'm doing, and I know how to operate these things and other technological equipment. So I'm not a novice, and I know how to get these things sort of set up. So as you can see on the screen again, I was talking through the app and giving you a bit of a walkthrough as part of my next video, and essentially this happens. Okay, so the controller just completely disconnects from the drone. Okay, to this point, okay, I still have not managed to get it to keep its connection. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and do it again in front of you and try my best. I thought I'd figured out a way to get the drone to resync with the controller, because I'm just constantly getting told that it's disconnected. At this current moment in time, the Fimi app does not support the Wi-Fi control using just your phone. And as you can see on screen, this is what I get the last time I tried to do the firmware update, which was what I was hoping would fix the damn problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it one more go at the only thing I can do to try and get this to reconnect. And I'll do it right in front of you to hopefully see if I can get it to do it. So I've shut down the Fimi app, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the drone off. Right, so that's the drone off. I'm now going to switch the controller off. Right, so both of those are off, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the drone on. And the reason why I'm going to turn the drone on first is because for some reason that was the only way I can get this to connect. Alright, now what was happening is, by looking through the manual, I was just simply getting a yellow flashing light. And that means the drone is sort of checking itself and doing a sort of a pre-checkup of all its systems. But ultimately, for some reason, I just couldn't seem to get past that point. So let me do this in real time. So I'll get the drone on. Okay, and I'll turn it around so you guys can see what's going on. So we've got a sort of yellow light alternating and flashing into a bit of red. Now, like I said, I've been at this absolutely so many hours, and I sort of thought I'd figured out a way with which how to get this to work. Now it is just flashing yellow. I'm going to switch the controller on. Now, many of you may say this is the wrong way to do it, that a far more experienced with these drones is what I am, but ultimately this is the only way I could get it to work. Alright, so I'm just going to flick off that and then just wait and see what happens. Alright. Now, as you can see, the drone is on, the controller is on, the drone is just flashing like it's got no connection, and now it has finally connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flick through some of the settings and just quickly show you through and just see what happens. And there you go. As you can see, straight away we have got that disconnection of the controller. Absolute nightmare. All I was doing is I was just messing around, looking through the settings, and as you can see, the controller is disconnected up at the top corner, and then we have got this back flashing yellow and it's no longer flashing green. So I'm not entirely too sure what on earth I can do about this situation. Like I say, the controller just will not stay connected long enough for me to do absolutely anything with it. So yeah, not a good start. I have, of course, contacted Fimi, and let's just see what happens, and I will report an update as soon as I get one. But ultimately, at the minute, this drone is pretty much a paperweight. Absolutely pointless. Obviously, I'm trying to just do something slightly different on the channel, and yeah, as you can see, this drone might be the most beautiful drone and perform brilliantly and give us all sorts of smart modes and active track and all sorts. But at the minute, I cannot even get it to stay connected to the controller. Not good. One other little problem that I'm having with this is the fact that I simply cannot go online and get any sort of user manual. If you go on the Fimi site under the download page for the Fimi X8 Mini, there is nothing there. So it's not like I can reset the firmware, and I can't do anything to do with that because it simply will not let me. For all of you that have got them working, that's brilliant. Obviously, mine just isn't. So as soon as I get a reply from Fimi, I will update the video and let you guys know what exactly is going on. And as you can see, in this time, nothing's come back on. They're both turned on. The app's running. It's not even attempted to reconnect. So yeah, that's where I'm at with it. So once again, thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.